Greetings to all. Welcome on Georgian Airlines Boeing 767-300 AR cargo one. My name is Valerian. I'll be the captain today on this flight from Tbilisi to Budapest. Let me introduce my colleague.
Hello,
he will perform duties as the first officer, Mr. Zurab. And in about a couple of minutes we'll be ready for our pushback startup and then taxi and departure. Today we'll fly 3 hours and enjoy fly with us. Thank you. So today left seat flight. Aircraft status is okay. We don't have any main items. Everything is okay. No temps are clear for departure airport. Uniform Golf Tango Bravo. And elevation is 1570. ATC calling. And so position is 109er Delta. We'll make pushback Echo facing to the east. Then we'll taxi via Echo, holding point 31 left. And condition of runway and apron is dry. And the full length of runway is 3,000 meters. Is already confirmed Zagot 1 for us. There's SID, it's AirNav SID. Transition altitude 11,000 feet. GNSS required, AirNav 1. And MSA for our sector from TBS will be 7,000 feet. Highest MSA 9,300. And we're gonna pass Zagot 130 or above. Zagot 1, climb on 310 course when passing 7,000. Left turn direct to Zagot. We also have required minimum climb gradient for this SID, which will be 5.4 up to 7,000 and 4.0 up to flight level 130. Initial stage we're gonna have like 1,100 feet, and then we'll need to switch it down to 200 feet.
Yes.
Per minute. So this is everything, and highest obstacles verified from the right side. This should not be the factor for our flight. So prior to 80 we'll reject takeoff in case of any malfunction. 80 to V1 we have 153. We'll take off, reject in case of major malfunction like engine failure, fire warning, and also any ACAS red warnings. And pilot will identify this malfunction, will call out it clearly. My command will be clearly reject detections idle, disengage auto throttle, speed brake and reverser. Please call reverser green, if not normal, call relate the engine.
Agree.
So at V1 call will be continuing actions until 400 feet except positive gear up at this stage. At 400 feet we'll fly the airplane. I'll try to engage available out pilots to reduce pilot workload. And with this point we can start the memory items. And accelerate 1,000 feet, AGL to 2,600 feet. The altimeter. Vertical speed will be engaged and set 200 for the climb.
Roger.
Then we'll accelerate the airplane until for flaps schedule. Okay, we'll call from flaps 5 to 1 and then up. At that point will be flight level change and minimum clean will be set like should be like 10 to 20.
Roger.
So at 3 miles we'll make a left turn to TBS. We are inclined to 7,000 feet. Expect holding there. After cleaning up, we'll continue QRH. Till different items will be after takeoff checklist next time, and then we'll finally complete for arrival. We are today like. For the landing weight, we're coming back. We have like 161 currently. We'll need to burn out the fuel about 30 minutes in the hold expected to round out the checklist and come back for runway 3 mile left. We have inbound courses are set, ILS is pre-selected, and we'll come back for runway 3 mile left. This will be advised. Questions please?
No questions.
Okay,
everything is clear.
Very good.
Ready for checklist?
Yes, checklist please.
Before start, cargo.
Secured.
Secure. Door lights.
Out.
Out. Windows.
Locked and closed sign.
Right side. Closed, locked. MCP.
161, 310, 130.
Takeoff speeds.
153, 156, 161.
Check. City of flight.
Completed.
Completed. Trim.
3 and 5 units nose up green.
Check. Taxi takeoff briefing.
Completed.
Red anti-collision light.
Is on.
Fuel load and pumps.
4 pumps on, 21.5.
Check. Equipment cooling mode selector.
Out.
Auto. Before start completed.
Good. And tell me when we're ready. 2 then 1 engine startup position. Okay. Ground.
Cockpit.
2
right.
then 1 when
okay,
we're ready.
Right engine clear, start approved.
Ready? Ready. Okay. Right engine ground please.
Starting engine number 2. Ground. Time.
Number 2 ground.
Not all over.
Checked in.
And 2.
2.
696, expect vacation via Alpha.
And 250.
Checked.
Start all closed.
Via Alpha. 696.
.323 PGT. Engine stabilized.
Check.
Number 2 is good start. Number 1 ground. Left engine ground, please.
Okay, left engine clear, start approved.
Starting engine number 1.
Checked.
Ground. Time.
Checked. Oh.
Start all open.
Checked. And 2.
Oil
Push
pressure.
the oil pressure now. Fuel. 20 pounds.
Check.
Fuel flow.
Pushback complete,
Good.
park and brake set.
Park and brake is set.
And 1.
Okay, accept.
Check. Out.
And 250.
Checked.
Start all closed.
Perfect. .359 PGT.
Check.
Engine stabilized. Good starts. Flaps 5, please. Ground, we have 2 good starts. You may disconnect everything visual up to you, right, left. Have a good day.
Okay, Tower disconnected and no gear steering activated. See you right side.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Flaps 5, please. Marshal,
Okay.
main inside.
Uh,
Okay. Flight control test. Board taxi setup also.
coming.
Yeah.
Pro taxi complete.
Follow rudder. Full left. Ventral. Full right. Ventral.
Okay.
Before taxi checked.
Before taxi. Anti-ice.
Off. Required.
Left and right isolation switches. Off. Recall.
Checked.
Check. Auto brake.
Okay. The brake is RTO.
RTO. Flight controls.
Checked.
Ground equipment.
Removed.
Right clear.
Plane inside.
APU.
Left clear. Off.
Oh, packs. Auto. Before
So-
taxi complete.
Perfect. Gonna be a 30 or 8 p.m. Request taxi, please.
Tower, Indigo Tango 1162, request taxi. Time 696,
clear.
locate runway via Alpha.
Ticket via Alpha.
1162 taxi, holding point 31 left via Charlie Echo.
Via Charlie Echo to hold it by runway 31 left Indigo Tango 1162.
Taxi light on. Left clear.
Taxi lights on. Right clear.
Let's go. No recall, checked again.
Indigo Tango 1162, line up runway 31 left.
Line up runway 31 left Indigo Tango 1162.
Very good.
Yes.
Clearance. Need 2 more minutes for warm up.
Indigo Tango 1162, line up runway 31 left.
Line up runway 31 left Indigo Tango 1162.
For takeoff procedure and checklist, please. Can I use my side?
Side weather.
Or no, weather.
Your
You will
side.
have a terrain mode, okay?
Okay. Before takeoff. Checklist. Flaps.
Flaps 5.
5. Weather radar hold.
My side radar, you have terrain, please.
Transporter, TARA,
Good.
and altimeters.
10 to 6,540 now.
1026, 1540, same.
Okay, 5 minutes
Takeoff is
past.
completed.
We're good. Warm-up completed. Final is clear.
Right side also clear.
162.
Fully ready, please.
For departure, Indigo Tango 1162.
1162, clear for takeoff, 31 left, wind 260 degrees, 6 knots, steady ahead, cargas.
Clear for takeoff, runway 31 left, Indigo Tango 1162. Matloba, target.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Time, please.
Time.
Set.
I have control.
You have.
Let's go. Oh, per 1.58.
Check.
My controls.
Missile stabilized.
Level. Okay. Checked. Infer.
Yep.
Check takeoff thrust now.
Takeoff thrust is set.
Checked.
Speed alert.
Checked.
Check. 80 knot.
Checked 80.
Try to hold.
Checked.
V1.
Continue.
Rotate. Positive
Gear
line.
up, please.
Gear up. Till now.
Check.
Now in contact.
Enough.
We now.
Checked.
Yep, we now speed.
Checked.
Tbilisi, Gamma Juba, Indigo Tango 1162. Climbing 130 away, thank you.
Indigo Tango 1162. Tbilisi, approach calm, reduce radar contact, flying via SID flight level 280 after passing 7,000 feet, clear direct Parus.
Climb to 280 after 7000, direct to Paris, Indigo Tango 1162. 280
Checked. Center autopilot on.
is set. Center autopilot on.
Command mode. Two to 5.
Sure.
Flaps 1.
Speed good. Flaps 1. Speed 245.
Check.
Indigo Tango 1162, report final level.
Today final will be
Left up.
340, Indigo Tango 1162.
Flaps up.
Speed
Roger.
good. Flaps up. After 7000 we are clear for Barus. Barus on top, check please.
Check.
Flaps up.
Okay, up takeoff checkers, please.
After takeoff. Landing gear.
Up and off.
Up and off. Flaps.
Up.
Up. Backs and blades. On. Auto. Wing and engine anti-ice. Not required. After takeoff check.
Thank you very much. we are in the flight now since already we have passed 1 hour 10 minutes. We are in the flight in cruise at 340 with 0.81 speed. Currently in the Turkish airspace. So let me introduce you what we have done today for our departure. It was departure from UGTB, Tbilisi, Georgia. Our position was stand 109 Delta. We made a pushback facing east to the taxiway Echo. Like here we go. We take a route from Echo until the runway, which was named as 31 left, identified as 31 left, direction was 310 degrees. And 3000 meter was available for departure. And we have departed. It was a seat for us was
Zagreb 1.
Zagreb 1 here, enough departure. So we proceeded on departure track 310 until 7,000 feet. There was a left turn to Zagreb and we were climbing, it was clear to 280. And we proceeded next towards Barus Point. So we made this trek. And since there, after that, we are on the route now to our destination, Budapest.
Again, Alpha Turkish 3 Romeo Delta climbing 360, final 30 please.
Turkish 3 Romeo Delta, I have a radar contact. Stand by for further climb.
Copy, Turkish 3 Romeo.
Climb level 320, request level 360 with Mazda
13, expect ILS approach. Runway 13 left. Departure runway 13 left. Runway 13 right close to maintenance. Expect open at 1600. Attention, local GNSS outage can be expected. Transition level 110. Wind
110 transition.
0 degrees, 8 knots. Variable between 0, 5, 0 and 120 degrees. Table K. Temperature 16. Dew point 6. QNH 1033 hectopascal.
22.
No significant changes of forecast. Delivery frequency open. Acknowledge information Zulu.
Zulu on board.
Indiana Golf Tango 1162, contact Bucharest 125765, goodbye.
125765, bye bye India Golf Tango 1162. Radar, good day India Golf Tango 1162 heavy, maintaining 340 inbound schedule.
Good day India Golf Tango 1162, Bucharest Roger, radar contact. India Golf Tango 1162, switch 120.375.
120375, bye bye India Golf Tango 1162. Bucharest, good day India Golf Tango 1162 heavy, maintaining 320 inbound casual request descent.
India Golf Tango 1162 Budapest, good afternoon, radar contact, descend to flight level 140.
Descending 140 India Golf Tango 1162.
140 set.
140 check.
Enough.
Check. Yeah, idle, enough pass.
Speed intervention.
Check.
Idle.
Mike
Commencing
Whiskey
descent.
909 airborne,
Idle,
to
enough speed.
Bravo Papa 742.
Throttle hold.
Budapest, radar, good
Check.
day. Sunturk 6 Bravo Papa maintaining 340 CBDS. Sunturk 6 Bravo Papa, Budapest, good afternoon, radar contact.
Radar, hello, Ryanair 73 Hotel Papa, flight level 340 to Palu.
Ryanair 73 Hotel Papa, Budapest, good day, radar contact.
Budapest, good day India Golf Tango 1162 heavy, descending 140 inbound Katus.
Skyka 1162, approach hello radar contact ILS runway 13 left.
ILS 13 left India Golf Tango 1162.
Success 961, contact director 119 decimal
Check.
510. Sziasztok!
119-150, köszi, szia, 961.
Skyka 1162, descend 10,000 feet, altitude QNH 1032.
Descending 10,000 and QNH 1032 India Golf Tango 1162. 1032.
I told you 1032.
10,000. Check.
Enough, continue. Enough
Yes.
speed. Enough speed.
Check.
Transition is 110.
Check. Approaching 1000.
Check. Flaps 1, please.
Very good. Flaps on.
We're closed.
One set.
Perfect.
Skyika 1162 descent 4000 feet, altitude speed 210 or less.
Descending 4000 with 210 or less, Indigo Tango 116.
4000 set, flaps 5.
Pin check.
Budapest, good afternoon, Ryanair
Flaps 5.
2517, departure, starting 2300.
Ryanair 2517, approach service radar contact, climb flight level 180.
Tunnel 180, Ryanair 2517.
My Sky 9091, continue the present heading.
Continue present heading, My Sky 9091 heavy.
Flaps 5 set.
5, perfect. 210 or less, yeah?
Yes.
Perfect. 195.
Skyika 1162, heading 220.
Heading 220, Indigo Tango 116.
220 heading set.
220 check.
Air France 52, Bravo Mike, contact Budapest 133, decimal 2, bye bye.
1332, Budapest, Asphalt 5219, bye bye.
$1,000 to
Check,
level up.
check.
Skyika 1162, heading 180, clear ILS runway 13 left.
Heading 180, clear for ILS approach runway 13 left, Indigo Tango 1162.
Heading 180
My Sky
set.
9091,
check.
speed maximum 210 knots.
Speed 210 knots, My Sky 9091 heavy.
Ryanair 2517, proceed to Gillap.
There we
Gila,
approach.
Ryanair 2517.
Clear for approaches.
Localizer. Local
China
arm.
Southern 650, contact Bratislava radar 134, decimal 475, bye bye.
134475, bye bye, China Southern
650.
650.
Alt
Alt capture.
November 658, 9 Mike, contact Budapest 133, decimal 2, bye bye.
Enter passing ground.
133, decimal 2, 659, Mike 4 now.
Localizer
Agree.
capture.
Check. Next altitude, 3,500. Bravo Papa.
Check.
5. Runway set.
Check. Budapest, Indigo Tango 1162, establish on localizer runway 13 left.
Vertical.
Roger, thank you.
Passing Bravo Papa go.
Check.
Descending. 1,500.
My Sky 9091, turn right,
Left.
heading 040.
Right heading 040, My
Speed.
Sky 9091
Check.
heavy.
Flaps 15.
Approach Fiesta 3096, passing
15,
3000, climbing 7000, but off 2 Bravo.
Visa 96, approach Sarustok radar contact, climb flight level 180.
Climb flight level 180, with 96.
180.
My Sky 9091, descent 4000 feet.
Descend 4000 feet, My Sky 9091 heavy. My Sky 9091, I need speed restriction.
Yes, Reduce the speed 200 knots
Check.
or less.
Alt hold.
Reduce 200 dollars, my sky 909.
Let's go back.
Missed approach will be 3000.
Skyka 1162, what's your minimum approach speed?
Minimum approach speed is
150.
150 India Golf Tango 1162.
Confirm 133.
150 India Golf Tango 1162.
Okay, sorry, reduce the speed 160 knots or less.
160 or less India Golf Tango 1162.
Thank you, and contact tower 118.1, bye-bye.
1181 India Golf Tango 1162.
Flaps
Gear
20.
down.
Flaps 20.
Speed good. Flaps 20.
Call you. My Sky 9091,
Nice
turn
over
right
line,
heading 110, clear ILS 13 left.
Flaps 25.
Speed is good. Flaps 25. Tower India Golf Tango
Nice
1162. Fully established runway 13 light.
3000.
India
missed
Golf
approach
Tango
10.
1162, reduce minimum safety now.
Reducing to minimum India Golf Tango 1162.
Flaps 30.
Speed check. Flaps 3.
Right, 68 Zulu Lima, in sequence, line up, wait, 1 to left and be ready.
Landing checklist. Speed brake.
Armed.
Arm. Landing gear.
Down through green.
Down. Flaps.
30.
30. Missed approach altitude.
3000 set.
So, landing checklist is completed.
Perfect.
You're about it, 4901. Ciao. Ciao. Ryanair 3 uniform Victor, immediate takeoff, 13 left. The wind is from 120 degrees 6 knots, immediate takeoff.
Silver Dago 13 left, Ryanair 3 uniform Victor.
Got the altimeter alert.
checked.
Budapest Tower, my Sky 9091, establish localize, good afternoon, establish localize runway 13 left.
Mike Yankee Whiskey 9091, hello, continue for the 13 left, I call you back, the wind is from 120 degrees 6 knots.
Continue approach, runway 13 left, my Sky 9091 heavy.
India Golf Tango 1162, expect to locate at the end or via Victor.
Okay, via Victor India Golf Tango 1162.
Or at the end, I think.
And then,
We
yeah.
have clearance? No, the runway.
Not yet.
Blocked, apparently. Land 3. Roll out flare.
Check.
It's armed.
Ryanair 68 Zulu Lima 13 left, you are clear takeoff, the wind is from 130 degrees 7 knots, immediate rolling please.
If we may take off Ryanair 68 Lima.
1000.
Stabilized.
Stabilize now.
India Golf
About
Tango
altitude,
1162, 13
Manual
left, you are clear to land, the wind is from 140 degrees 8 knots, locate by Victor.
Clear for... clear to land India Golf Tango 1162. Locate via Victor. India Golf Tango 1162. 500.
Check 500.
Check. Approaching minimum.
Continue approach.
Minimum.
Landing.
Check. 10. Speed brakes up.
Check.
Reverser's great.
Good.
Deceleration. Shemdegi. 8.
Sixty. Break. Off. Next one is Victor.
Victor, right side.
Doors closed.
Check.
Landing.
India Golf Tango 1162, call the ground 121.910, bye.
1219010 India Golf Tango 1162, bye bye.
My Sky 90. Sziasztok, stand by for a short time, please. There will be a taxiing aircraft behind.
Ground, good day, India Golf Tango 1162, runway vacated on Victor.
India Golf Tango 1162, Budapest Grand, good day. Taxi via Echo to stand Charlie 2.
Echo to stand Charlie 2, India Golf Tango 1162, thank you.
Ground runner 61 Charlie Zulu, ready taxi.
On the left.
Ryanair 61 Charlie Zulu, taxi via Lima and Alpha to holding point kilo runway 13 left. Lima Alpha Kilo 13 left, runner 61 Charlie Zulu.
Check 500. 400. Continue approach. 300. Approaching minimum. 200. Minimum. Landing. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20, 10. Check.
Reserve 55 Whiskey Foxtrot, stand 210, request taxi.
Reserve 55 Whiskey Foxtrot, taxi via exit point Hotel 1 and Alpha to holding point kilo runway 13 left.
Roger.
Starting.
Starting. Okay, show stand on the right side. Follow me is coming.
On the load, sorry, 85 Romeo. Probably want to come through some time. 38.5.
Fix the lights off.
Fix the lights off.
Parking brake set.
Check.
2 minutes more
Waiting
for
time.
cool down.
Yeah. Shut down checkers. Hydraulic banner.
Set.
Set. Fuel pumps.
Set. Sorry, PS1.
Anti-ice.
Off.
Red anti-collision light.
Off.
Off. Left and right isolation switches. On. Flaps.
Up.
Up. Speed brake.
Down to 10.
Down. Parking brake.
Set pressure normal.
Pressure normal. Fuel control switches.
Cut off.
Cut off. Weather radar.
Test mode.
Transponder is.
Standby and parked.
Check. Heaters.
Off.
My side off. Status page.
Reviewed.
Check. Shut down.
Thank you.
Checklist is completed.